because there's been a downward pressure across the days from the start of the session. And, let's pull up the Nifty 50 first. And we've seen that pressure continue. And just seeing some slight recovery in the last 10 to 15 minutes. But overall, we have seen a lot of pressure. Let's also pull up the top constituents of the Nifty 50 as well on the advances and the decline side as well. And let's look at the key contributors. While ICICI on the back of Q3 earnings, and we'll address that in the show, has been on the positive side. We are seeing some pressure by Infy as well as TCS, among other constituents on the Nifty 50 as well. Let's also quickly look at the advances as well as the decline ratio as well in this particular market, because we are seeing a constant more than 2,000 stocks declining, and it's been a one-way downtrend in the market today. Let's quickly look at the mid cap as well as the small cap 250 as well as being one of the other makers, because we are seeing a 2.5% correction on the overall mid cap 150 index, while the small cap 250 has also been affected roughly almost 3.7% down. And finally, just Nifty 500, top gainers and losers, and I'm pretty sure we're going to see a lot of other correction across stocks. Loris Labs, we're also going to address that in the show, down almost 12% in trade today. The other ones, Gujarat Fluoro, are affected, and Tejas Networks has continued its downward momentum. Ever since its Q3 earnings, it's not been a pretty picture for the telecom players. Welspun Corp also on the downside. On the positives, we are seeing just a 3 to 4% positive growth, signs recovering after that 23% fall post its Q3 earnings last week. DLF also putting some onward pressure on the positive side, and that's also on the back of its Q3 earnings. But the one stock that I want to talk about and start the show with is Credit Axis Grameen. Now, after its Q3 results, the guidance has again been cut in this particular quarter, and we've seen a steady recovery in the stock. It started down 15% in trade. Post that, we have seen steady recovery, and brokerages have also come out. In this case, Nomura has given a reduced rating to Credit Axis Grameen with a target price of about 800.